I am Ritvika Naidu. I am the chairperson of Prabhu Naidu Limited, and we are into manufacturing of recycled fabrics and cotton tote bags. And our main focus is empowering women. So we are associated with more than 5,000 women in rural parts of India, especially in Maharashtra. So around 300 villages, and our focus is that women can be at home and still have their additional sources of income with their home responsibilities. So that's the focus of our company, and they are independent mentally, financially, also focus that they feel that they are important and their self-esteem is high because of that. In 2017, around that time, we started with 5 women. It's God's blessing that the planet also started moving towards cotton bags. So it was like a bang on time to get into this work. And when we started off, they were unskilled. So we focused on training them. And the beautiful thing was they were ready. What happened is, as it started growing, and then Corona hit, and we were not having any job to give them, but we had continuous phone calls from all our women saying that we need job because we don't have money to eat food. What will I feed my children? And we were just looking at what can be done at that time. Fortunately, Kerala government at that time had decided to provide ration, and they needed cloth bags. And we came up with the idea that we can cut the fabrics in our factory and we can give them these fabric cuts at home. So we gave them the machines at home and we delivered the fabrics, they stitched it, we got it back. But still we had a challenge of how will we get it from Maharashtra to Kerala. And that time, again, we were like looking into what can be done in this process. And we got to know there are these trucks full of vegetables and fruits that come from Tamil Nadu to Maharashtra, and they're going back empty. And that was our game changing point. And that's how we transported it to Kerala. And in this process, now we have reached around 5,200 women, and it's a very proud moment to us because our focus on women empowerment is very crucial, because we believe that when a woman is empowered, she creates her home that way. We realize when we are focusing on women, the children are getting developed, and then our nation is getting developed. So our major focus is that what can we do that our country progresses, because our children are the future of India. So this is Prabhu Naidu Limited contribution to our nation. One of the beautiful thing about women is that once they see that they are getting the benefit, or they are able to have some use in that, and they are being useful somewhere, they spread it out very fast. This is the beauty of women. So it didn't take us time to find more. And the amount of trainability they are ready to get trained. Farm work is not 365 days. And generally, all these income don't just go to them. It goes to their husband or their father-in-law. They need to cook, they need to wash vessels, they need to take care of their children, they need to wash their clothes, they need to do all that. With this process, they also stitch bags. We are associated with them on per piece basis, like whatever they stitch, we provide them with the income for that. So it ranges with the time frame they have, from 3,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees and more. It depends on the kind of bag and kind of stitching that they are doing it. And it also we have like semi-skilled or like unskilled, which we turned them to semi-skilled. Now we have also trained them for export bags. So we, out of 5,200 women, 200 women are purely for stitching export bags. A lot of women who come to us that they have been, not treated well by their husbands or their in-laws, and because of which they are not being able to take care of themselves, their children, and their body, or lot more things than that. And then they always, this kind of income helps them to take care of their simple things like, you know, their body, their hygiene. They are able to eat their own food because they are able to contribute in the house. They are able to get their children also educated. They always look forward for more orders and what they can do to provide the best kind of stitching so that we can get them more orders. It's mostly Kolhapur. We also now developing other parts of India in terms of, you know, what we can do. During Corona, we reached around 1 crore bags, and right now we have a capacity of 5 lakh bags per day. And definitely we are very grateful to all our customers because they are the ones who have been with us in this support. Like, you know, they understand the cause and they also look forward that they get more orders to us. With these 5,200 women, we have been indirectly impacting around 25,000 people or more or less, because that way we are creating just not impact to them, but also a lot of other people are getting developed. And our vision is that we reach 1 lakh women by 2030.